Hey, all of you beautiful souls. Today's video is on nutrition and subliminals, and it's very dangerous if you're going to just listen to physical subliminals and not take care of your health. Energy has to come from somewhere to manifest your subliminal results. And, a lot of people, they don't take care of their health and they listen to physical subliminals every day, and it's dangerous. And I add in affirmations. I put in affirmations that can actually you draw energy from nature and life, to have extra energy when you're listening to my subliminals, but it's still not enough, and if you ever watched Michael Phelps, how much he ate for breakfast and lunch, or, when you're working out, your body is changing, and there's a lot of micro and macronutrients that you need to really achieve maximum results. Working out is only, 10%, 20% of the equation. The other 90, 80% of the equation is really your nutrition. And you can ask any professional, fitness person that really understands actually what they're talking about, and they will tell you that nutrition is literally your diet, 80, 90% of the results. And people sometimes come to me and they tell me they're burned out. And sorry, I got distracted. I'm watching my snail literally on top of the aquatic plant just balancing itself out But nutrition and your diet is so important to everything. And a lot of people get burned out, and I tell them, well, are you eating healthy? And they say no. Sometimes they're just new to subliminals and they get a little carried away. It's like finding a genie in a bottle. Now I have fish oil here. Fish oil, this was $9 at Walmart. And it has 230. Now I work out a lot, so I take 2 a day. It's 115. So approximately about 4 months, about 3 months and 3 weeks, and you get the point. So there's no excuse, right? There's no excuse to not have these. That's for your heart and your brain. And then I got probiotics. I actually forgot to take my probiotics, so I just took some actually. I like to take all of these in the morning when I first wake up with my breakfast, and then I have a good multivitamin. I have a really good multivitamin here for performance. And even if you're not working out, I still recommend one for, this is for guys, it's performance. And even like I said, if you don't need the performance, or you're not going to the gym, which we're going to talk about next, I still recommend getting some. And then I got some blueberry extract. Blueberry extract is very good, especially if you're lifting weights or working out. And then milk thistle. I believe I said that right. But anyways, what I do understand or know is the benefits. This is for your liver. Very, very good for your liver. Very, very good detoxing and just overall punctuality. And then we have garlic. Garlic is very good. It's exactly what it says, heart health. Now there's other supplements you can take for heart health, like wheat rice, or just red rice, right? It's been a while since I took that supplement. I believe it's red yeast or red something. But there's other options. But these are my go-to ones, like I said. Always a multivitamin and fish oil, absolutely, and then the probiotic, and then, like I said, the rest are just kind of, the cherry on top. Now, these allow, and then drinking water. Water is so important, guys, especially if you're listening to subliminals. So important. So important. So when you add in the nutrients and the supplements, you really can start to achieve maximum results. I need to I'm missing, one supplement. I'm missing a supplement. I need to find it. I forgot the name, but it's a supplement you can take. I believe folic acid actually, which is something that's produced, for new cells and new genes, for when a woman's pregnant. Now, you don't have to be a pregnant woman to take the supplement, but by Jolly G, if you're trying to build new cells or achieve physical results, of course you want to add that to your list. And like I said, guys, these are nowadays at Walmart or even Amazon, guys, these are not very expensive. There's no excuse, right? And these supplements, nutrition is so important in how fast you achieve physical results and how safe you're going to achieve those physical results. And I really need to take out my orange fish. He's being very aggressive and attacking my other goldfish. Hey! Huh. Now, exercise too, guys, is very important for working out. Because when you exercise overall, just the hormonal benefits and the healthy stress to where you're actually relieving stress, right? In a more, let's keep this more basic. The release and the overall health benefits. And some people think they can just listen to subliminals only and they don't need to go work out. When you combine the two, that's when you really start to achieve magic. And when you add the nutrition, the working out, and the subliminals, you're gonna really start to fly. Really start to fly. So guys, take care of your health. Don't just eat pizza every day. Don't just eat pizza and hamburgers every single day and listen to physical subliminals, for 2 or 3 hours and wonder why you feel like crap, right? You need to take care of your health, guys. Buy these supplements. Be more mindful of what you're eating, It's really not that expensive. And I gotta go get this orange fish. He's chasing after the goldfish. He's not letting them go. Okay. All right, guys, you have a beautiful day.